Good morning, guys. I am going to have a order for the water that we need for the refill, guys. Yes, because almost every week or every 2 weeks I need water. Yeah. How are you guys? I hope everyone happy and good. Yeah, I can hear the airplane up. Yeah, and this is the kuya. Hi. This is the kuya for the selling the fish all the time. Yes, and we have a tricycle side side. Yeah, all the time he's going to making selling the fish with her wife early in the morning. Yeah, today the weather, guys, is very good. It's sunny day and the weather is hot. Yeah, that is the okay, guys. Just for the water, I will leave the tanker same as before, so that they can deliver kuya to house later. Yeah. Okay, later, guys. Hello, kuya. Good morning. Sige po. Thank you po. Salamat. Okay, guys, I'm done. So later again. I just go home to make a breakfast for me and Kian to eat. Okay, later, guys. Okay, guys, I just drinking tea. I eat pandesal. Kian also is watching computer. Kian, go eat. Cookies here as a everyday with me all the time, jealous all the time. Chocolate. It's very late today. Candy also is there, guys. She's the quiet mother. She just watching the cookie, her doctor, what she's doing. I will take a bath at them, guys, and Kian also as well. Okay, just a little bit. It's last. Go. Okay, guys. Later again. We are going to. It's raining, guys. We are going to for the reading and writing the Kian. It's already raining outside, guys, because of the it's cloudy. That's why. Where are you? Huh? You are where? With me? Huh? Take the umbrella, guys, because it's rain coming and we need to go for the reading and writing again. Okay, later, guys. Hello, guys. You are getting me. candy and cookie I give already again. That for they are going to bite this one, guys. They are going to eat even candy. She's eating also that one. Cookie! Come, cookie! Cookie! Cookie, you want to take from candy? Don't eat her. That is for candy. Yeah, Cookie, she want to take from candy, but I said no. No, huh? That is for candy. It. Okay, guys, I will just take care of the candy and the cookie. She not go to take her what her gift that I give. Okay, later again. Okay, guys, thank you for watching my video. I applicated already just for today, and for next my video, let's see. Okay, keep safe always, guys, and for now, bye.